The M-Series super shallow housing comes in round and square. For this video, we will be referring to the round. Please review the square installation instructions online for a step-by-step. Prior to installation, ensure all power to the luminaire is turned off. For this installation, you will need a 4 1/4 inch hole saw and drill, a flathead screwdriver, measuring tape, wire cutters and strippers, pliers, wire nuts, and sheet metal screws. For DMF products, you will need an M-Series super shallow housing and M-Series modules and round trims. The super shallow housing comes set at a 3-inch height, but can be adjusted down to 2.5 inches should plenum space require it. Please note that the 2.5-inch depth is not compatible with adjustable or Dolly 2 controlled modules. To adjust the housing height down, press the housing height adjustment button with your index finger to unlock. Use your middle finger to push the top cover and set the height to either 2.5 inches or 3 inches. Firstly, measure to locate fixture position. Install bar hanger ends into studs using the 4 pre-installed screws. Slide the housing along the bar hangers to adjust its horizontal position. Secure the horizontal position by tightening 2 pre-installed screws. Loosen the screws with a screwdriver and push the junction box door to remove it. Splice the building's electrical wires to the bare line wire leads according to local regulations. If dimming 0 to 10 volt or Dolly 2, remove the caps from the additional control wires and connect. Replace the junction box door back on the housing and tighten the screws. Mark center fixture position on the drywall. Using a hole saw, cut a 4 1/4 inch round opening at the marked position. Loosen the 2 factory installed wing nuts inside of the junction box. Adjust the vertical position by moving the junction box up or down. Once flush with sealing, lock the vertical positioning by tightening 2 wing nuts on inside of junction box. To enable 0 to 10 volts or Dolly 2 dimming, disconnect the adapter with the orange connector attached in the housing. Align trim onto module and turn trim clockwise until secure. For triac dimming, mate ground wire connection by securely attaching the ground wire terminal, factory installed on module, into the housing. Connect module connectors. Place module into the housing. Push trim up until flush with sealing. DMF's modular downlights are designed with access and serviceability in mind. Should you ever need to change or service your downlight, any typical change can be made with minimal tools and no rewiring. M-Series modules are designed with embedded and accessible drivers to make service quick and efficient. To remove the module for replacement or service, such as replacing optics, follow these steps. For downlight module removal, pull down on the trim and module to remove from the housing, taking care to not damage the sealing finish. Disconnect quick connect on module. After removing your module, you are now ready for replacement, following the same instructions from the start of the video. For more information on how to change our optics in the field, please refer to our website for step-by-step instructions. As always, the M-Series is plug and play, backed by our in-house engineering, customer support, and DMF's 5-year warranty. The M-Series, our most versatile product offering.